Cairo city is very large and beautiful. Differentiating this city and the western city is very difficult. Egypt has developed a stand that the city population is over 10 million. Cairo is Egypt's political, cultural, and economic center. The Pyramid of Giza is just outside the city of Cairo. It is located at northeast of the country along the Nile River. Cairo is the largest city in Africa and it holds the largest population in Egypt. Many of these Egyptians work as farmers, especially in the rural areas along the Nile River. Industrial jobs like factories, construction, food processing, and textiles are common in this city. The beautifulness of this city make attractive to many people, and for that matter people come for tour.
These are some beautiful African city with an ultra-modern buildings. These are some beautiful African city with an ultra-modern buildings.